Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic and that is transportation. Students, what is exactly a transportation? Transportation means when a person is traveling from one place to another place. So what is exactly transportation? Moving of people, you can call it as from one place to another place, that is called as transportation. For example, if you are going to school from your home, obviously you will be going by bike, by car, by school bus. So from traveling from your home to school or from traveling to school to home, that is called as transportation. Or else, for example, here you can see a car is moving from one place to another place, and that particular phenomena is called as transportation.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.